Right, madam.
Yeah.
I often read books in my free time. நான் என் ஃப்ரீ டைம்ல அடிக்கடி புக் வாசிப்பேன்.
I often read. Okay, what does it often mean? What does it mean?
அடிக்கடி.
அடிக்கடி வளமையாக.
SID.
Do you like to study English? Yes, I do. Okay, number 4.
My father always sings songs in the shower.
My father always sings songs
Sing
in
songs
the shower.
in the
Okay,
Saturday.
no,
No, she doesn't.
The first one. Who send number 5 first? Answer please. And then the next one.
I live close to my company, so I can walk to work.
I live close to. Correct.
நான் கம்பெனிக்கு அருகில் வசிக்கிறேன், அதனால் எனக்கு வேலைக்கு நடந்து போக முடியும்.
Very good. Next number. Next.
Always drinks tea in the afternoon.
Mary drinks. Okay. Which number? I missed it.
Number
sorry.
8.
Number 8. Mr. Smith always drinks. Correct. Very good. Number 9.
Mr. Smith always.
Yeah. Tell me.
My
Classmate watches his favorite TV show after class.
My classmate watches his favorite TV show after class. Correct. Next.
I am sorry, I don't have time to talk to you now.
I'm sorry, I don't have time to talk to you now. Correct. Very good.
மன்னிக்கவும், எனக்கு நேரம் இல்லை உன்னோடு கதைப்பதற்கு.
Very good. Correct. Next. Does your cousin have a job?
Yes, she does.
She does.
தொழில் உள்ளதா?
ஆமா, அவக்கு இருக்கு. Very good. Next.
I don't have a pen. Could you please borrow your pen? எனக்கு பேனா இல்ல. உங்களுக்கு எனக்கு பேனா தரையலுமா?
Yeah, I don't have a pen. I don't have a pen. Could I please borrow your pen? எனக்கு உங்களோட பேனாவை இரவல் வேண்ட முடியுமா? Very good.